Welcome to Autism Mathematics. In my previous video, I did something on solving inequality, a single inequality. Today, I want to solve questions on double inequalities. Once again, if you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Let's look at the first question. Solve the following inequalities and represent your answer on a number line. So I have this one, minus 2 less or equal to 2x minus 3 less than 1. Now, this is the normal way of solving inequality, but this time the inequality symbols are 2. So this implies that minus 2, we want to find x. So first of all, we need to take this one off. So how do you take it off? This is minus. If you add plus 3 on both sides, this will go. So minus 2 plus 3 less or equal to 2x minus 3 plus 3 less than 1 plus 3. So this implies that minus 2 plus 3 is giving us 1 less or equal to 2x less than 4. So we want to find x. So once again, we divide both sides by 2. So this will cancel that. So we have 1 on 2 less or equal to x. This will go here, 2 less than 2. So let's see how we represent this on a number line. Okay, so first of all, draw our line. This is 0, minus 1. This is 1, 2, and then 3. So half, the least number is half. We can locate half here. So this can be half. So we draw our circle and then 2. This is also 2. But the inequality symbol here is less or equal to. So we shade this and we join. So that's very simple. Let's look at the next question, the next one. Okay. So minus 3 less or equal to 3p plus 1/3 minus bracket open p minus 2 on 3 less or equal to 6. So this implies that minus 3 is less or equal to 3p plus 1/3 minus, let's open this bracket, p, then plus 2 on 3 less or equal to 6. I have fractions here. So we multiply each term by the LCM. The denominators are 3, so the LCM will be 3. So this implies that 3 times minus 3 less or equal to 3p times 3 plus 1/3 times 3 minus p times 3 plus 3 times 2 on 3 less or equal to 6 times 3. So this implies that 3 times minus 3 is minus 9 less or equal to 9p. This will cancel that. So we have plus 1 minus 3p plus 3 cancel 3. So we have 2 less or equal to 18. So we have minus 9 less or equal to 6p, 9p minus 3p, which is 6p. 1 plus 2 plus 3 less or equal to 18. We want to find p. So first of all, we need to take off this 3. So you have minus 9 is plus, so we need to subtract 3 less or equal to 6p plus 3 minus 3 less or equal to 18 minus 3. So this implies that minus 12 less or equal to 6p less or equal to 15. So we have divide both sides by 6. 6. So this will go here, minus 2. So 3 will go here, 2. Will go here, 5. So we have minus 2 less or equal to p less or equal to 5 and 2. And this can be written as minus 2 less or equal to p less or equal to 2 whole number 1 and 2. And we are to represent this on a number line. So we draw our line. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have minus 2 here, and then 2 and a half. 2 and a half will be somewhere here. This is how we shade it, because it's less or equal to. We shade it. Shade this one. This. Okay. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. I asked you to pause. Just cross-check with your answer. You were able to do it. That's a plus for you. So next time, I'll be coming your way with some other application of inequality. Once again, if you have not subscribed, just click on the subscribe button. Remember, in my last topic, I introduced a session called Test Your Understanding. This is where I give my viewers the opportunity to also go through some set of questions. Answers are provided at the link below. So you go to the description column. After you have gone through the questions, you click on the link. The answers are provided there. So you cross-check with your solution. Once again, thank you very much.